Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm sorry I'm getting this out a little late. Um, this is a hard video to do. I'm just really frustrated with these unpredictable news-driven markets, but it's exactly what I would expect. We're in very unusual times, and yeah, you know, I don't know. I'm going to trade through it, but it's not easy. I'm showing you what happened with the Dow today. The Dow opened up and it stayed up and actually made a high here within the last 2 hours of the day, and I think it was up over a little over 100 points at that point. And then you see this huge drop here. The president made a tweet saying that the Republicans would not cooperate with the Democrats on a stimulus package. That's what it was all about. I was surprised to see the Dow react this way because everybody knows that the Republicans and Democrats can't get along on anything anyway. And I didn't really think the stimulus package was all that important for stocks, but apparently it is. And you can see that the Dow dropped. Officially, it closed down 376 points, and our equity in our open positions dropped from about positive 10,000 to negative $11,200 on the close. We had 9 positions, 3 positive and 6 negative on the close. So anyway, we came into today and we closed out 14 positions with about $10,000 in profit. So that was good. It wasn't spectacular, but $10,000 closed out. That was still better than what we had on the close yesterday. And then, as I say, very late in the day, we were still up about another $10,000 in our open trade. And so we're looking potentially at a $20,000 day, and then this happens. And it wipes out that $10,000 in profit and adds $11,000 negative. So basically, this drop costs us $20,000, and that kind of takes away any good feelings I had about the earlier part of the day. So it's pretty disgusting, and that's about the most I can say. I this kind of stuff does make me nervous because it's really unpredictable, and it does indicate a very nervous stock market. And anyway, I'll show you I'll show you 2 stocks. I'm going to show you a bad one. First of all, this is GME. This is GameStop. And this thing was quite volatile on the open, and then it rallied pretty hard here, got us in pretty close to the top of the day, but with 2 to 3 hours to go, we were slightly profitable in GameStop, and then it started sliding, and then after the president's tweet, it just really tanked, and so we end up still holding it, but down $3,700. And most of those stocks, the 9 stocks that we were holding, did similar things. Maybe not to the tune of $3,700, but they went from positive to negative, or negative to even more negative, all reacting to the sell off in the last hour of the day. Very disappointing. It really pulled our equity down. We had one really good trade that became kind of a mediocre good trade. This is NVTA. Yes, Invitae. It's a biotech. And yesterday we bought this the first hour of the day. It closed reasonably profitable on the close yesterday, but it just took off today like a bird, keeping us in the trade, of course. And up here at the top, which is, with maybe 3 hours to go, we are up over $10,000 with Invitae. And then it starts slipping and then gets pushed even farther by the president's tweet. And we see our 10,000 go to 5,000. We still have $5,000 in that trade, but that's half of what we had earlier in the day. So it was hard to watch this, and I'm pretty disgusted with stocks overall today, but yeah, it happens. Anyway, that's the way it went. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.